Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7. Now, if this is your first time checking out our channel, or if you've been here before but you hadn't subscribed, we want to encourage you right now to take a moment, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now, while you're at it, go ahead and also hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. So in today's video, we want to show you how to send a SS call or make an SS call with your Gear S3 smartwatch. So the first thing you need to do is download an app to your Gear S3, and the way you would do that is load it through your phone. So we're going to set our watch down real quick, and we're going to reach over here and grab our phone, and we want to look for the Samsung folder. Go ahead and tap on that folder to open it up. Once you open it up, we're looking for the Samsung Gear icon. Tap on it. Once it's open, go ahead down to the bottom of the screen and you're looking for Samsung Galaxy apps. Tap on that to open it. Then go to the top of the screen. Now you want to make sure that the Gear tab is highlighted, and then tap on your search and search for SOS call. And so you will come up with this app. Go ahead and download it to your device. Download it to your phone, which will send it to your Gear S3. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the screen real quick and set our phone back down here and reach back over and pick up our Gear S3. Now generally when we download an app, it automatically goes to the last screen or to the back of the apps. Now if you hit your home button, if you notice, I have moved the SOS app to my first screen, and it's the third app down. So that's the Find My Phone text app and the SOS app. So if you were to turn the bezel and go down to it and then tap on it to open it up. Once it's opened up, it's connecting to the phone, and we're at the SOS call home screen. And so you see you have the SOS button in the middle, and you have your phone icon the bottom left, text icon the bottom right, and the top right is for contacts, so you can put contact numbers into this SOS app. And so if you hit the SOS button, you will see it will send off an alert. It's kind of like something you can hit if you have an immediate emergency. So it's flashing and it's giving off a alert sound. So turn it off, go ahead and tap on it. It turns it off. And so first thing we need to do is load some contact names or contact numbers into our SOS call. So hit that there. And as you can see, our contact list, we already have one phone number in there. And I put that in there a little earlier just for demonstration purposes. So if you needed to add additional numbers, just go ahead and hit that, like that gear icon there. If you hit the gear icon, I'm sorry, there we go. If you notice, it opened up a screen on our phone. So if we grab our Galaxy Note 8 here and you look, you can have up to 3 people to send a message to. So I have the one there. If you want to add others, hit the magnifying glass and it will send you to your contact list and you can add them there. Now as you see here, it says message, alert type, and alert cycle. It's kind of hard to see it on that wood background, but you kind of tilt it to the side. The first message, the message says I had an accident, and if you hit the tab here to look at the other selections, you can either put in there I'm in danger or I'm in a fire. We're going to go ahead and leave it at I had an accident. And then the alert type, you can actually tap on that to change that up. You can either have it where it just rings or just lights up or rings and lights. It's what we showed you earlier. And then the alert cycle, you can choose to have it always 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So of course we got it for always. Want it to keep ringing until we turn it off. And so what you need to do after you have put your contacts in up here, is come down to the bottom and hit save. And once that's saved, we can go ahead and set our phone back down, go back to our home screen, and then we're gonna go back to our watch. So we're back at the main menu, and so to send a call, if we have an emergency, we can hit that SOS button, and then once it opens up to the home screen, we can hit the call. And if you hit the call, if you notice, our phone is ringing that contact of ours. So we're going to go ahead and hang it up because we don't want to scare them. But also with sending making a call, it will send a text message. So if we were to check our text messages real quick, that call went out to Miles. And I'm going to set the watch down again and bring in the text messages. Now what it did was it called him, but it also sent a text to say I had an accident, and it's showing a Google Map location. And so if you were to tap on that Google Map location, it would show where you are. And that would help assist them in trying to find you. And so overall, I think that's a really good app. How to make SOS calls with your Gear S3. So that's about it for our video for today. How to send SOS calls with your Gear S3 smartwatch. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was pretty beneficial. And again, if this is your first time checking out our channel, or you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.